It's a certified 2019 INFINITI QX50. As your need for more room increases, so does your taste for luxury. This QX50 caters to both. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: continuously variable automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, external memory control, remote engine start, leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Of the QX50, Kelley Blue Book writes, "Step inside and try not to be impressed by the stunning interior with colors, shapes, materials, and surfaces that make this among the most luxurious in the segment." Driver-centric design puts you in the center of your automotive universe. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
We have what you've been looking for at Nationwide Kia. Come see us today at 1600 York Road or give us a call.